Basket case. The body was sitting over there and all the pieces were around. The only thing that was really straight, the doors were good, the rest of the body was pretty decent, but the floor had been sitting out in the woods for a long time and the floor rotted out from the bottom up. The floor was completely gone. So we took a big tractor tire inner tube and rolled it over on its side and cut the floor out of it. I put a 327 in it out of a 64 Chevy with turbo 350. It's got the vintage air in it. I tried to keep the everything looking somewhat original.
Yeah.
That's the same pattern that came out in 1937. I got it in a big box, headliner, seats, armrest covers, everything that you needed. There was some extra material, so I made the visors for it. Sun visors and that.
Okay.
Sat in the basement one winter and just started putting the seats back together, you know, putting the foam in them and stuff like that. That's your air conditioning from 1937.
This is the air conditioning here. So you turn that knob and the window cranks out. So it just kind of cranks out that much, huh?
You got the cowl vent.
Okay. Little cowl vent there, so that lets air in there too. Awesome. That's the AC for you.
AC works great. Didn't have the wing windows, the little vent windows. So to ash their cigarettes and stuff, you turn it. See how the window goes back before it comes down?
Oh yeah.
You could take your cigarette butt and ash up there and then you keep cranking it and it comes down.
Oh wow.
Back ones do the same thing.
So it goes, kind of comes down off the side first and then down. That's wild. I've never seen that.
That was kind of tricky to figure out. I've never seen that happen.
Yeah.
How they work.
Gotta have some place for that cigarette ash. That's wild. I didn't know that they did that. So this one too, okay.
Yep.
So it opens it up
the other way and it'll go forward and then start coming down.
Okay. That's wild.
Now it's closed.
Now it's closed and then you, okay. So it's actually two separate ways to turn the knob on the inside.
You just turn it past and
okay.
then go back.
Interesting. That is cool.
Yeah, there's room back here to let that window slide back, yeah.
Okay. That's wild. And that's 1937 they're doing that kind of thing.
Yeah.
That's pretty amazing.
A lot of head scratching.
Yeah.
I've had it for over 30 years and it's been on the road for 5. So what does that tell you?
Labor of love though.
I got 3 kids.
Yeah.
So I bought it when they were young. Probably the oldest was maybe 12.
Yeah.
So I was working on it then a little bit at a time, you know, on evenings and summertime. And then they started driving. So they needed a car, so I had to get a car for them and fix that. Well,
Dad's car got put on the back burner.
Yeah, it was way back in the corner. That one went through okay, fine. So then I was going to start working on this. Well, the second one gets her license. She needs a car.
Yeah.
So on and so forth. Well, with the soccer or baseball, all that stuff, you know. Even in the wintertime, the girls were in dance recital and stuff, so I didn't have much time to work on it in the wintertime. I got a heated shed and everything where I could work, but it's the time.
Yep.
Time. So I told my wife after the last one got married, I said, this is it. My free time is going to be used out here. I'm going to be doing this and get it done. So
Awesome. Well, congratulations. It's turned out beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you.
And I'm sure your kids turned out great too.
Hell yeah. Yeah, they did. They did. They give me plenty of time to take it on a Saturday. And
Yeah. Okay, well, thanks for sharing about it.